Hi guys, what's going on again? Yeah, this is Ramel. Today's date is the 18th of November 2020, and I'm making a video about how money is actually created, right? Because yesterday I was actually just watching the video. I just think I would just share it with you. So I am going to, let me see what I did. Yeah, so hi guys, I'm just gonna share this video here with you about how money is actually created. We're just watching this video about how money is being created, and I just think that I thought I would just share it with you guys right here. So I'm here on YouTube. You need to watch this video right here. Let's learn about how money is being created, how the banks works and stuff like that, right? Bank borrower, and I was just watching this video here. You just go on YouTube, type in how money is made, how money is created. Just watch this video right here. They tell you about how money is being created and stuff like that there. So, right. Yeah, so how money is made, how money is being created. Yeah, so I was just watching this video here. I watch a lot of different kind of videos, no? I watch like affiliate marketing. Cause basically I'm into affiliate marketing too as well. And so watch that video right here. How money is made. I don't know why my YouTube channel, why on my YouTube videos it actually is why it's so big. I'm trying to get it back to small, but I can't get it back to small. Yeah, so we're gonna watch this video here, learn about this. They're gonna tell you how money is being made, how the banks works, and about fluctuation and about digital money and talking about gold and difference between borrowers. Sometimes I was watching this here, they're telling you about when you deposit your money, the money is not yours no more, the money is the bank's one, the money in banks gotta keep moving all the time, circulating, so the banks can do whatever you want with your money and this and that. Let's come and watch this interesting video right here. How is money being created? Yeah, so go and watch that video. So it's important to listen to like motivational speakers too as well. So if you don't, I know I make a lot of videos, so it's important to listen to this guy here, Les Brown. He's the very Les Brown, right? If you don't know Les Brown, type in Les Brown and watch his videos, right? Watch Les Brown, and I like this video. Make sure you watch this one here. It's possible, right? It's possible you can have anything you want in life. Watch this video too. He's very interested. He's a very interested motivator. You got power within you to achieve anything you want in life. And just listen to Les Brown, and let's go on YouTube and let's just type in what's his name? Jim Moore. Listen to Jim Moore too as well. Time is valuable. You gotta listen to Jim Moore. This is Jim Moore right here. He's a motivational speaker. You wanna see other people successful, you know, cause 97% of people working for one another have a job, and the other 4% they have their own business and time, stuff like that. Art of time management. Focus on one thing. And a lot of great inspirational videos that you can watch too as well. I advise you to listen to this guy here, and his name is Jay Shetty. Jay Shetty. This is his name here, right? I'm sure listen to Jay Shetty too, right? Where is it? I don't know what YouTube video. These big. I don't know YouTube channel thing here very big though. I don't know. See, listen to Jay Shetty too. I don't know what's going on with this here. Why my YouTube channel is very big. Let me see. I have a lot about affiliate marketing. So tell a little bit about myself. I am an affiliate marketer. I'm an online marketer, digital marketer, looking for ways to make money and thing online. Educate myself and motivate myself and stuff like that. I teach about motivation and motivational stuff and stuff like that there too as well. You gotta be careful with scams out there. I do a lot of research and a lot of studies too, right? Do a lot of research and a lot of studies on online marketing. Let me click my inbox. I could even tell you about different businesses that you could check out too. So I can click on social. I want to go back to YouTube though, you know. It's just my email inbox. Let me click here on YouTube. I don't know how my YouTube thing gets so big, you know. I want to get back to small, but I don't know what the heck going on with this. With my computer now all of a sudden. You need to check out my playlist though. See, this is my channel, and let me see. We'll come down. Here, this laptop computer now though. Everything here real big now. Let me see, I go on Google man. You gotta listen to this guy. Way to do it there on YouTube and type in. You know. You want to be successful in life? I'm gonna show you two people that I did listen to become affiliate marketer that teach you online for free. We teach you how to make money and things for free, right? So don't mind that this thing here is big, but I am going to. Yeah, this guy that name Wesley Virgin. Type in Wesley Virgin, right? He can teach you how to make money online for free. He's a billionaire. He's a millionaire. He want other people to become successful too as well online. Wesley Virgin. That's his name. Worldwide. For anybody worldwide, listen to Wesley Virgin. WesleyVirgin.com. Wesley Virgin. So this is Wesley Virgin here. Go on YouTube and listen to all his videos. Teach you how to make money online, share you for free. Because he want to teach people how to make money online. Listen to Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, that's his name. But Wesley Virgin and listen to a lot of people know Wesley Virgin and John Cristani. John Cristani right here. Listen to John Cristani. This is John Cristani. Listen, it's free and easy. Listen to John Cristani. Affiliate marketing. He teaches you how to make money and things online for free. He wants people to become successful and things online. I have been learning for a long while, and I plan on teaching others how to make money and things online too as well. And this lady here, I advise you to listen to. I don't want to share all my secrets, man. It don't matter because I know I can be successful, so I can share my secrets with you guys, so it don't matter. So listen to this lady here named Amanda. She's a Amanda Ware, right? She just created a system that I plan to join. Amanda Ware, listen to her too. I plan on joining this business opportunity that this lady has created. Amanda Ware, successful solution method webinar. We got come premieres tonight, and every tonight. That she created. I got a webinar coming on tonight. So watch that video. This is Amanda Ware interview. Listen to her. Follow her on YouTube, Facebook. Add her, answer any questions, and listen, become successful online. Let me see anybody else I know. I got introduced you to the people that I just follow, right? I just follow this guy that named James Farmer. All these is very successful marketers that are making money and they help people to make money too as well. James Farmer. So these are affiliate marketers that I listen to. I follow. So I follow James Farmer. This is James Farmer too as well. So type in James Farmer, watch his videos, our lead system. These are things that you can learn, right? They don't teach us this in school, affiliate marketing and stuff like that. Let's watch all these videos. James Farmer, follow these people. I just follow, just share my secrets. So James Farmer, let me see if we think of another person. James Farmer, Amanda Ware, Richard. Yeah, listen to Richard too as well. Richard Harrison, right? This gentleman here, Richard Harrison. Follow this guy. Affiliate marketing, teaching you how to make money online, how to become successful, how to start your own business. All these trusted people that I just follow. I do my research. You can do your research. It's important to do your research too as well. All the time. Listen to do your research. Turn your all these trusted, successful business people from all over the world become successful. And listen to these people. So that is Richard Harrison. You see another person that I follow. Let's see. Richard Harrison and what the heck is this name? But other guy you know. Richard Harrison, James Farmer. Alright, anyway, I plan on getting the conversion pros, right? Conversion pros marketing system. I plan on getting the conversion pros, right? I plan on getting this here. Become successful, learn about the conversion pros. Conversion pros. Become an affiliate marketer, learn about affiliate marketing. So much things, so much information that I have, you know. So much knowledge that I learned. I can't teach you guys everything in this one video. You can become successful online. Sometimes I write my notes. I got my notepad. I got my notebook. Let me tell you something that you could get, right? You could get this thing here called, what's its name now? I got the best Facebook marketing tools and yeah, so I listen to a lot of successful people. This other guy named Epic Trading. Ontario. Listen to this guy here too. Let me see. There's so many people I listen to. I can't name all of them right now. Let's type in work from home. Learn about affiliate marketing, right? Let's type in affiliate marketing on YouTube. And people can teach you for free. Affiliate marketing. Learn everything about affiliate marketing. On YouTube, come and watch free videos. Learn how to make money online. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Like my video.